Hi, I'm Michael from Preferred Properties Landscaping and Masonry, and this is a Connecticut residence, and you wouldn't mind coming home being late. It wouldn't matter that much when you drive into an entrance like this. This 480-foot long driveway is masked on the sides with Belgian block edging, meticulous paver installation, magnificent trees, big stone columns, night lighting. It's a Connecticut residence worth coming home to. What we did here is we designed the installation of the pavers, we designed the installation of the plants, the trees, and coordinated with the homeowner on some of the materials, the colors, and some of the items and plants that make this place magical. It's a long process when you start working with masonry, hardscapes, drainage, plant materials, and it takes careful consideration on your plant choices and even your contractors for that matter. As we approached the house, part of the design concept was that the addition of the garage was disjointed from the house itself, and the orientation of the house actually faces more of wetland properties on the left. So what I did is I designed a turnaround driveway which enables the garage now to be nicely connected and has composition with the house and the flow of the house and the drive, and they have a lot of vehicles. And part of the driveway structure was to have brick pavers or a texture instead of asphalt. Although this looks overwhelming to you, it's quite enjoyable for the customer. What we have here is we have beds on each side of the landscape. There's roses, there's obviously deer resistant material. As you can see, there's low voltage deer towers, and these towers are designed to keep a hungry deer out of the gardens. These need to be placed at specific areas, detailed and engineered so that the deer stay clear out of the garden. So as we approach the home, one of the nicest approaches of the home as anyone comes up, whether you live here or you're just a guest, is this big island. This was all new construction. This has been done a couple years in the makings of the building of the house and the garage, and now the final touches are the landscape. So the island kind of gives you good focus into the home itself, and the doorway is very much evident, which wasn't before, as that was all woods up near the front of the house. As you drive in towards the house, and we'll take this area here to the left, there's magnificent tree material, plant materials, evergreen structure, a very soft evergreen. Those are Douglas fir trees, big magnificent birch trees, and the birches are just elegant and lit up at night. It's quite a concept. So as I'm following the paver walkway around, there's a lot of balance in the landscape. It's very secluded and yet open and very private. There's cutting gardens and roses. There's perennial gardens and lavender, salvias, ornamental plants, big Japanese lace leaf maples amongst the grasses, Alaskan nuka, camericiferous, a towering evergreen tree that stays well, holds the structure of the garden and looks very nice lit at night. And then the formal approach of the walls and the entranceway. It's a big blue Atlas cedar here we have. It's a specimen. It was designed to sit on top of the wall, and the area is very much visible from the homeowner's home office. Again, this was designed, built by Preferred Properties Landscaping, Cheshire, Connecticut.